Oh, no. Bertie. That is so cute.
This is the King Farm. Everybody's ready for the night.
Okay.
So
Buonanotte,
cute.
Galline.
Oh, look, the little chicks.
Smells like stuff in here.
Yeah, that's because you're in a chicken coop.
Ah, well,
Look at the one up here. You're ready.
Hello. Who's your daddy? Alrighty. This is a chicken coop, boy. Teach you guys to be
And
chickens.
there's Timmy.
Did you get Maddie?
I did. That's good.
Maddie,
Oh,
show.
holy cow.
Where is it?
Okay, I'm going to pan out here. One more.
Oh, this is Maddie's favorite one. What's her name, Maddie?
Pirate.
Pirate.
Pirate? Didn't it used to be something different?
It used to be Bertha,
Yeah.
AKA Racer. But
a.k.a. Racer.
And this
Okay.
chicken is rare, right?
Okay.
This one is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
Okay,
one
I
is
see it.
really
It's got a
rare.
nice hairdo. He looks like a punk rocker. Okay.
And she's got a chick under there, but she's very protective. And this is a wood chip right here.
yeah.
Oh, cheese and crackers. What's it called? Getting a little fussy up there.
That's the rooster.
Dude, chill out, right? Okay.
Oh no, that's the hen.
Yeah, it'll look like after a while. Okay, I'm gonna sign out of here because the chickens are freaking out. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, did you see this little?
No.
She's down here
she's
with
the
all
one
her
in the
hens.
corner.
Love you. Huh. You're hiding out, huh? Figure you're gonna escape in the corner. Well, guess what? You're America's Most Wanted. Bye-bye.